Now, Kenya loses up to 20% of investments due to unpredictable tax policies. RSM Chair Ashif Kassam says this is killing investments, urging the government to create a predictable tax environment to spur investments in the country and also boost intra-regional trade.
In April 2023, President William Ruto announced a series of tax and regulatory reforms aimed at improving Kenya's investment climate, including completing Kenya's national tax policy by June 2023 and keeping it in place for a minimum of 3 years.
We are very focused on our individual fiscal and monetary policies to fund our budgets. And the key challenge that we are not talking about is the fiscal indiscipline. And as long as we have fiscal indiscipline within each country, then individual taxes or countrywide taxes become key ways of funding that.
However, the policy is yet to be implemented 3 months after the June 30th timeline. As a result, Kenya is losing investors who are jittery over the unpredictable nature of the tax regime, according to tax and audit firm RSM.
It's only through fiscal consolidation and fiscal discipline that we will be able to rationalize the tax structures across the various countries. And that's one of the key things that we probably need to discuss over the next 2 days, is how to coordinate that approach.
Elsewhere, lack of a harmonized tax regime in the East African community is a major bottleneck to cross-border trade in the region.
It has to be a fair market, whereby every partner state has products and services not only to offer, but also to take. We must be in a win-win business and economic environment.
As government and private sector members converge in Uganda for the second edition of the KBC Business Summit, stakeholders hope that the Technical Working Committee will steer member states to streamlining policies to grow intra-regional trade and help the regional bloc bargain for better trade terms at the global level.
Every African nation should make every effort to reduce at the maximum non-tariff barriers at borders and within nations and regions to create a conducive environment for business people to trade across borders.
Regina Manyara reporting from Munyonyo, Uganda for KBC Channel 1.